Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Technical Explained. In this video, we are going to learn how to add timer to the PowerPoint presentation. So I have opened up my PowerPoint presentation, and then I'm going to open and click on the blank presentation. After opening my presentation, I will go on and select the layout to be blank. Now what I will do that here in the insert tab I'm going to click on insert, and in the insert tab I'm going to click on get add-ins. When I click on get add-ins, if I'm connected to the internet, so we will have the store appear of the office add-in store appear. So if you want to add a timer to this store, so what I will do is that I'm going to type timer and I'm going to search timer, and then now we have different types of timer appear. Depending upon your choice, you can select the timer of your desire. You can select the timer you want, but the timer that I like is break time. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to add this break time timer to my PowerPoint presentation, and then a window will pop up which will ask me about the license agreement. So I'm going to click on continue. When I click on continue, the timer is going to be added to my PowerPoint window. By default, the timer time will be 10 minutes, but I can always change the minutes of this timer. If we can have a look, we have 10 written here. I can change it to 5. So now this has been changed to 5. I can also change the second to, for example, to 20 seconds. So now my timer is 5 minutes and 20 seconds. And what I can do is that I can change my background. Now if I click on bar, you can have a look, you have this type of background. Now you can click on coffee, you can click on dinner, you can click on the background of your choice. You can click on lab if you are teaching something. You can click on lag, you can click on lunch, reading, sandwich, tea, whatever you want. So then once you are done, you can simply click on start, and the timer is going to start running. As you can have a look, the timer has started running, and now it is decreasing. So that is how you can add a timer to a PowerPoint presentation. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel Technically Explained. Thank you.